Hello, welcome to this quick video that's going to review our explanation of Yahoo Finance. So to locate Yahoo Finance, you just search for Yahoo Finance and click on the first hit that shows up. The first screen that Yahoo Finance displays tells you about the current news affecting the market, and then it also shows you three different markets it's tracking: the US, Europe, and Asia. Let's go click on US. We'll enter in the stock quote of the company we're interested in. In my case, it's Johnson Controls. Go ahead and click on that. So here is Johnson Controls. The first thing we see is a lot of financial information. So let's quickly review this. So the previous close, that shows you the closing price of this security from the previous day's trading. Open shows you the first price of the new trading day. The bid and the ask, this shows you the bid price is the highest price at this moment that people are willing to buy the security for. And then the ask price shows you the highest price at which people are willing to sell the security. So then there's a spread between them. And then this spread is an interesting number to watch and observe. Next is the 1-year target estimate, and this is what is predicted to be the average stock price of the stock a year from now. The beta shows the volatility. So if it's greater than 1, it's showing that this stock is moving along with the index, but it's a little bit more influenced by day-to-day news than the index, such as the Dow Jones or the S&P 500. Next thing we want to focus on is the day range. This shows you the high and low price of the stock for the day. Next thing shows you the highest and lowest price of the stock at which it traded in the past 52 weeks or last year. The volume shows you the number of shares that changed hand just for today. The market cap, that shows you how many shares for this particular company are outstanding. So Johnson Control has 23.91 billion shares outstanding. The PE ratio, this is often used to give an indication whether the price of the stock is overpaid or underpaid. So the lower the PE ratio, the better. And you know if the PE ratio is high or low in comparison to other companies that are selling in the same industry. We'll look at that more in a moment. Next one is the earnings per share. So in this one, for example, if a company earned $100 million last year and had 50 million outstanding shares, then the earning per shares would be about $2. So this is calculated by dividing the company's total earnings by the total number of shares outstanding. And the dividend and yield, this is interesting. It shows you if the company sells a dividend, what is the price, what is the dividend earning per each share. So in this case, it's 76 cents. And then the yield shows you the percentage of your purchase price the company will return to you in dividends. Okay, other things other than these financial information, what we want to look at with Yahoo Finance is the company profile. It will tell you about the company. Then the next thing is competitors. This will show you how your company compares to others. So here's your PE ratio. So you can see for Johnson Control, their PE ratio is right in the middle. Here's a rather higher one. Here's a lower one. So Johnson Control is strictly in the middle. And then the next thing that's really interesting in Yahoo Finance is the charts. Let me see if I can get back to those quickly. So here you can see how Johnson Control, the high and low for the past month. Okay, you can also see it for the past year. So you can see back here in July, the price had really gone down, but now you can see it's really going up. And you can even see how the stock is behaving in one day. So I hope that quick overview will give you some idea of how we're going to use Yahoo Finance in our class, and maybe you might use it in the future.